Hi everyone. We are going to talk about the characteristics of human language. As you all know, language is a means of communication. But we all know that language is not just only one means of communication. We have other modes of communication as well. Gestures, nods, swings, flags, smile. All these are actually forms of communication. But what distinguishes this form of human communication different from other is actually the complexity involved, the exhaustive features it contains, and the many aspects. So today we are going to discuss some of the aspects of human language that actually differentiates this system of communication from other systems of communication. Let's see one by one. First and foremost, we should understand that human language is arbitrary. Perhaps in language you cannot apply any kind of logical principles to arrive at some particular conclusions, because language is formed by a set of symbols, and the idea represented in these symbols is often conventionally established, not logically derived. So that's the first aspect of human language, it's arbitrary. When we come to the second point, we should understand, unlike the other forms of communication or other systems of communication among animals, human language actually has many systems governing other systems of language. For example, the written level language is one type of system which is different from the system which is applied in the spoken level. Therefore, language is constituted by various systems, and which is again followed by other subsystems. Another thing we should understand is, as I told you, language is different from human and animal communication in different ways. First and foremost, we should understand that human language produces unlimited number of distinctive sounds, whereas the sounds produced by animal system of communication is rather very limited. In other words, the human sounds are discrete, that means we can separately, distinctively identify each and every sound and element of human language, whereas this is not possible in the case of animal communication. That means animal communication is non-discrete. Another feature of animal communication is that it's a closed system, whereas human communication is actually open-ended, modified, and extended. For example, the way a dog barked maybe 200 years ago is same in the way it does it now, whereas the way human beings spoke, how they interacted with each other 200 years ago, is entirely different from what we know now. That means human language progressed in terms of its complexity of structure, maybe the addition of vocabulary, the evolution of meaning of words, etc. So human language, we can say that it's an open-ended system which is continuously being improved every now and then. Probably you may remember the word youth quick, which has been added to the dictionary 2 years ago. Every year new words are added, new structures are actually invented, and also new meanings derived. So human language is of course an open-ended system. The other thing is human language is structurally complex, as I was mentioning in the previous sentences. That human language contains 44, for example, in the case of English language, RP English, or what we call the standard ABC English, we have 44 sounds in it, in which 20 are vowels and we have 24 consonants. Whereas when you take any animal sound or any animal utterance, we don't find these things. And another feature of human language is non-instinctive. Non-instinctive means human language cannot be inherited from our parents. Human language is something that we pick up from our environment, the way we are brought up, maybe from our peers. It need not be the language of our parents. Whereas animals, they develop their systems of communication from their mother. So that's a major difference between animal communication and human communication. And another feature is displacement. Say for example, using human language, we can speak about past, present, and future. Whereas it is impossible for an animal to communicate what happened yesterday or what's going to happen tomorrow. You can only convey the present by making some symbols, non-discrete symbols. And again, you should understand, human language is actually not just a means of communication, it's also a form of social behavior. Means the way we behave is often determined by the way we use the language. So sometimes we always say that our language reflects our upbringing, Language reflects our class, language reflects our education. So language is actually not just a means of communication, as is the case of animals, it's also a form of social behavior. And then another thing, as I was mentioning in the beginning, as I told you, language is arbitrary because it's formed by symbols. That means language is actually a symbol system. We call this a whiteboard. Actually, the word or the sound whiteboard and this particular object that you see here does not have any actual connection, but it has been established by convention. So we can say that the sound whiteboard is actually a symbol that represents this object. Any word object, for example, this lecture, this is actually a symbol which represents this particular object. So that's why we say that human language is actually a symbol system. Another feature of human language is productivity. Human language is productive and creative. We don't want to search any other examples. We just look at literature. All sorts of literature being produced across centuries. Itself is sufficient to understand how productive human language is. We continue to create language out of the infinite set of sentences. Infinite set of messages, sentences are created as Young Chomsky, the famous linguist, is mentioned. So human language is productive and creative. It continues to produce new ideas, new sentences, new patterns, which we cannot find in animal system of communication. Then another feature of human language is interchangeability. Interchangeability means we can speak and listen at the same time without interrupting the other function. For example, if I'm walking, I can talk. If I'm playing cricket, sometimes I can talk. If I'm driving, even while driving, I can talk. Whereas this process of communication may be interrupted in the case of animal communication. So that's the other feature of human language, that reciprocity or interchangeability. And another important aspect is, as I was mentioning, language is, I was saying that language is a form of social behavior. Similarly, language is a carrier of culture and civilization. Language is culturally transmitted. That's why you cannot separate language from the cultural underpinnings it has, because the meaning, the evolution of words, sentences, even the other aspects of language was actually deeply influenced by the culture in which it took its origin. So that's why it's a carrier of culture and civilization. So I hope you understand these are some of the basic features which distinguish language from animal forms of communication. Thank you.